Well, here we are again. I have a couple hours to kill. It is a Monday. It's Monday, May 2nd, 2022. I'm just gonna check out the Baraboo River here in Sauk County. If I can get untangled my net. Just gonna throw a few casts in here. It rained a lot lately. Water is kind of high. I'm just gonna check a couple of places here around the Reedsburg area. This first spot, I think I'm just gonna throw a few twister tails and maybe this spoon type thing and see if I can get a northern in here. Well, spot number one did not pan out. Nothing. So we're gonna go to spot number two. Spot number two is a place that I have fished basically my whole life, ever since I was just a little kid. And it's always been a pretty good spot. Haven't been here lately, but we'll see if there's anything here. You could catch anything from a northern to a walleye to a carp or a red horse. Not sure. We'll spend a little time. The water is high, so I'm not sure if that's going to hurt us or help us. We'll find out. Might not have picked a very good day to go. We will find out together. Thought I'd just throw this in here once or twice. Oh, there's the main current, but right here there's a little eddy. And if I was a fish, this is kind of where I would want to be, I guess, out of that main current. Nothing's going to hit this, I don't think. So we'll put out some live bait and sit here for a half hour or so and see if anything bites. Do I have a bite on a minnow? Oh no, probably not. I don't know. No, gosh darn it. God darn it. God, it looked like maybe I did. Minnow's still on there. Does it look like anything was eaten on it? My active imagination. Getting that same bite again. I don't know if it's just some sort of small bait fish. Oh no! We got something. We got something this time. What is it? We got something. Oh, I think it's a carp. I think we got a carp. I do have a net. Do I need the net? Look at him. Look at him fighting. Oh boy. Don't lose him. I got Ryan's net here that he dug out of a lake in Canada. Well. I guess we have solved the mystery. Right there he is. What a beauty. Alright, well, I was hoping to catch a northern or something better, but I didn't get anything on a minnow, and we got this guy instead. You were teasing with me, but I finally brought you to justice. You little sucker mouth varmint. All right, well, maybe we can get more of these trophy caliber fish. He wants to get away. Should we let him get away? He's working his way in. He's working his way. Oh my God, there he goes. He got away. Oh, good for him, I guess. I think there is a bite on this pole. That line is all of a sudden really slack. I'm just gonna maybe just nail it there. Gotta be a fish on there, gotta be. Oh, there is. There is. There is. Okay, fish number 2. Hopefully, maybe another carp type. Oh, where is he? Where is he? Look at that. Oh, he's right here. My God. I brought in my other line. I knew I had a bite. Boy, he's quite a fighter here. Come on. Wow. You don't catch like as many carp these days either. I mean, it's more red horse and more suckers but now today, carp. I tell you, they do fight. They do fight. I give them that. He's bigger than the last one. Oh, jeez. Come on, honey. Come to the net. There he is. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. There we go. I knew I had something. That line, I thought I had a bite, and the line just got really slack. So using my years of experience, how does he get tangled in the net on his fin? Using my years of experience, I deducted and deduced that there must be a fish on there. And of course, I was right. God, my God. I still got the other fish on the bank. I got the Uncle Jim set up going here. Look at this thing running. What have we got? What is this? What do I got? This is different. This is different. What do I got? Is this what is it? I need the net. I got something special on here, I think. I don't know what it is. What is it? What is this? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. It's another junk fish, but what is it? What is this? God, at first I thought it was like a humongous walleye. What is it? Is it a carp? But it looks so different. Man, oh man. For like a second, I thought I had like a giant walleye or something. It's a carp, but look at how much skinnier. It's longer and skinnier and just different. The scales are different. I don't know. I don't think that's a... Okay, look at that. That dorsal fin, I don't know if you can see it, compared to this dorsal fin is way different. Different fish. This is type of a red horse, maybe. Is that what that is? Is a type of a red horse. Oh, geez. I'm gonna try and wipe off my hands a little bit here without falling into the river. All right, well, trophy fishing here on the Gant Outdoor Show today. This is something, huh? Okay, well, let's get back at it. I cannot even keep 2 poles in the water at the moment. So far, we have a carp, and I don't know what that other thing is. Is that a red horse? This one's wild. Man, he's wild. He's wild. He's wild. Where's the net? The net's over here. I think this might be another carp. Oh, Jesus. Come on here. There. Whack 'em and stack 'em is what we're doing now. This is like turned into like a junk fish bonanza. This episode's definitely got to be dedicated to our favorite co-pilot Devin, because he just loves these junk fishing episodes. So Devin, how about it, man? This is living. This is living. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, heck, fire. What you gonna do? A face only a mother could love. Yeah, if somebody wants to enlighten me on what that is, it's not if it's a red horse, it's not the same type that I normally get over in Laval. I know might be a couple different kinds, but that dorsal fin, it's not a carp. It's definitely not a carp. It's something different. So yeah, somebody let me know. Somebody write me a comment or something and tell me what I just caught there. I think he might have it. He does. It's another wild one. Another wild guy. Oh, of course I don't have the net anywhere near this time. I don't know if he's as huge as the other ones. Don't know if he's as huge. Somebody just tried to call me. It's probably Cousin David. He needs me to come and help him with his trolling motor battery hookup. We'll see. What do we have here? This one isn't quite as big. Probably don't need the net for this guy. Get up here, gorgeous. Yeah, the other guys have managed to escape, and they are still biting. We're having quite a day. I have that one guy got away. He's struggling for survival out there. But I don't know, this could be the last one of the day. I need to get other chores done here. The Mrs. G.O.D. has a honey-do list for me a mile long. So, I don't know, this could be the last monster from the deep that we get today. But it's turned in to be quite a fun day. Target species started out being a northern pike, and this is a spot where you can get them too. There are northerns in here. I don't know if the water or whatever level did a little number on them, but I'll be back. I'll be back again to try and get a northern, but it was a lot of fun. A lot of fun out here just catching these. I enjoy this kind of... Oh, there's our guy. I think he's going to make it eventually. I think he's going to make it eventually. But yeah, a lot of fun. Beautiful little spot. If people would pick up their garbage, it would be even better. So with that, I think we'll let you go for today. And we'll see you on the next adventure, wherever that might be. Who knows? Out.